Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to check your order details on Amazon step by step in this 2025 guide. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or go to the Amazon website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, tap the account icon at the bottom of the app or hover over accounts and list on desktop. Select your orders to open your full purchase history. You'll now see a list of all your recent and past orders. Tap or click on any order you want to view. Here, you can check details like the order number, item status, delivery date, and payment method. If your item has already shipped, you'll also see a track package button to view real-time delivery updates. Scroll down to see the seller information, return options, and invoice download if needed. And that's how to check your order details on Amazon quickly and easily in 2025.